So I'm just gonna make this short and quick. I want to cut the axle nut in half because it's rusted on, and maybe you have this problem too. So after days and days of soaking it in WD-40 and other rust penetrants, shit wasn't working. I got frustrated. I took it personal, and an angle grinder came out. But if you have the same problem, pretty much all you need to do is remove some hub material so you get access to the actual axle nut. Here, you see me touching. And my goal here is to cut that in half, because no matter how much torque wrenches I use, no matter how much, what's that gun? Like, you know what I'm talking about, like torque guns or whatever. It's just not working. It's not coming off. It's rusted on there. So this is the only way I can salvage my spindle. As you can see, my car there needs another spindle, and this was the best way of doing it. It took about half an hour and 2 blades, but it got the job done, as you can see. And yeah, if you got this problem, just buy a cutoff wheel off Amazon. It's $8.95. If you don't have an angle grinder, go borrow one. Most likely somebody you know has one, bro. It's not a big deal. Yeah, and I'm just waiting for it to, because I got 2 minutes to talk, man, and I don't know. Wait, I'm almost done. Wait. We're getting there. Yeah, it's just some elevator music for the time being. Yo, just fast forward this shit, bro. I'm not fucking. Yeah, and that's the final result. You just gotta cut that nut off. Take a nice little hammer and chisel, bang those pieces out, because there's nothing holding them there anymore, except for the little surface rust. But you're good to go. As you can see, I got the axle out. I just need to remove the hub, put the new hub, and we're good to go. Yeah, I hope this helps. Nice little short video. If you haven't thought about this already, trust me, you're not going to damage the spindle. Most likely you got an old, used part, and you're going to replace it anyway. If you need the hub, I'm sorry, I can't help you, bro. Like, take it to a professional. Fuck you on YouTube for it. But yeah, take it easy. Have a good day.